Hello, this is Ashton with Remax. What is the first thing a buyer wants to do or to know before buying a place, a house or a condo? It's not going and start hunting for home. There's one thing they have to do first is to see if you can get a mortgage and how much you can get a mortgage for. There are 10 things the banks would ask you primarily to see if you're okay for mortgage. Let me give you those 10 points. Number one, they would check your income. They want to know how much you're making, and based on your income, they can determine how much you can get. But more than that, and number two, they want to also know how much is your debt, how much you owe to the credit cards. Is it a big amount? Is it something that you can manage? Also, they want to know how much are your expenses. Let's say you make $5,000 or $10,000 a month, and is your expense equal to $5,000 or $10,000 a month? Then basically you're left with nothing for your mortgage payment. They also want to know how much asset you have. Do you have any saving? Do you have any RSP sitting somewhere that can help with your mortgage as a down payment? They also want to know your payment history and how you manage your finances. That goes back to your credit. They're going to find out what is the trend of your payments and your responsibility towards your finances that you can take care of. They also want to know what is your social status here in Canada. They want to know if you're landed immigrants, you're a Canadian citizen, being here for a long time, or you just arrived yesterday. That's important. Also, they want to know your affordability, your monthly payment, how much you can pay per month. And let's say if your mortgage falls into $2,000 a month, can you afford it? And are you comfortable to afford it? And can you also pay for your other expenses? The other thing they want to know is there any partner? Is there anyone beside you that wants to be part of this mortgage? And what is their situation and their condition in Canada and financially as well? They want to know if you're receiving any help or gift from anyone that would help you buying your properties. Let's say you're buying property for $800,000 and you get a gift from your grandpa for $200,000. The bank wants to know if you're receiving that fund, because that would help you securing a larger amount of mortgage. Now, all of this, they would bundle it and they try to check the new rules and regulation with the mortgage and the bank to see if they can properly package it and present it as a good, solid person for getting a mortgage. There might be some other smaller details that each individual banks or financial institution have their own requirements, and they will go through that as well. So first thing you do is to contact your mortgage broker, or you can always give me a call. I can always help you with finding few of financial institutions around, and check what is your financial situation or how much mortgage you can get. If you have any question, give me a call at 647-407-4049. This is again Ashton with Remax, and all the best.